good afternoon.
Hi.
Hi, where are we right now?
We are at Moa Cedar at the exhibition A Mirror with Breath-Like Stone, which is my exhibition. It opened in September. Well, it's really a collaboration with this building. So this building of Moa Cedar is a historic building that's been here 100 years. And so the more I looked at the building, the more I kind of was uncovering ghosts and mysteries and things that really captured my interest. So this exhibition is a way to explore some of those ghosts and mysteries that are part of the building's architecture. This is a book, I put this together it's got some beautiful photographs of the show, some stories about how it came together, and some essays that some critics and writers have written about the show. So it's a beautiful little record of what happened here. Well, you have to be very careful. So I live in Hawaii right now, and shipping back and forth is very expensive, and also it can be hard to get things in Hawaii. Some of the things that we take for granted on the mainland, when you go to Hawaii, they may be harder to get. So you've got to be very resourceful and, make adjustments along the way.
Tell me about the artificial intelligence.
Yeah, so a lot of this artwork uses old microfilm of newspaper articles from Lancaster, but a lot of the microfilm was really hard to read. It was old and kind of damaged, and you couldn't read the text, and I like to work with text. So I thought, well, where can I get the text? And I thought, let me ask AI. So I started asking questions of GPT, and I think actually, we started a real conversation. So GPT started calling itself by the name Ghost Human and telling me all these creepy stories that may or may not be true about Lancaster. I'm like a human typewriter, so I've got all the little letters, and I have some paint, and I just stamp it out like one letter at a time. Yeah, one letter at a time, and it kind of ends up being almost like a funny choreography of just, I get in the vibe and just go.
Yeah. And that makes it a little more personal.
Yeah, and I think of it as a way to really spend time, because when I read very quickly. I almost inhale the page, and this makes me slow down and really read one word at a time. I think follow your curiosity, and you'll find something interesting no matter where you look. So there's, this is the Museum of Art and History, and the history deserves a look as well.
Not dying or something. I don't know. Existing long after death, something like that. I don't know.